everybody. So today I am playing Roblox, and this Roblox video that I'm making is the useful steam railway. But not just only I'm gonna make a video on the useful steam rail. I'm also gonna make it on another Roblox game. So whenever we go on to the next game, don't go away. So in this shit we have an engine named Wilbert and Thomas Percy. Who should we go with first? Let's go with Thomas because he's my favorite engine. Not just only he's my favorite engine, all the engines of Sodor is my favorite engine. So now we're just gonna get the coaches, I guess so. And I think these are supposed to be unincurable. I don't think so. Maybe it's just ordinary branch line coaches. But anyways, let's go. Choo choo! All aboard! Woohoo! And this is my question of these Roblox games, these Towns and Friends Roblox games. How do somebody add the faces for these trains, or how do they create these trains? If I had a Roblox game, if I had a Roblox game, it would be just a Roblox game just about all the world. And that's all for my Roblox game and my imagination. And also, here's one question. Why is my wheels black? Oh, look at that. It's another engine there. The mine. Unfinished version. Okay. Ow! Oh no, it's a train accident. Oh no. Help me. I'm stuck. No. I guess I have to reset. Ah. Oh no. That was crazy. Okay, who should we go next? Percy! Let's go! I'll be right back, guys. Okay, guys, so we're trying to find the troublesome trucks. Wait, what's that over there? Let's go and check it out. We'll stop at Farquhar Station. And guys, this is the second time of playing this game. Let's see, what is this? This is a golden statue of the Earl Thomas. And in the background you can see a car. Anyways, let's come back to Percy and get some cars. I'll be right back, guys. Guys, after just resetting my character, look at this guy. Hi, buddy. I'm making a video. I'm just gonna tell him I'm making a video. So, I'm making video today. So, he just went off with Percy. I'm just going to go off with Wilbert. Oh no, Thomas! Let's go, Wilbert. Go, Wilbert, go! I'm wondering what is his reaction to that guy who just told him that I'm making a video today. And I can see him on Percy as we go for the bridge. There's the golden statue of Thomas the Tank Engine, and oh no! Hi, dude. I'm sorry, but I had to delete your train. Anyways, let's just go and take some cars. I'll be right back, guys. Alright, guys, I'm back with Wilbert. We're gonna stop at the station. We have our coal here. Awesomeness. And now, we'll go! Let's go! Let's go, Wilbert! Let's go! Choo-choo! Look at that, there's a bridge. We already saw it, right? Yeah. This is a very nice looking bridge. Ooh, Farquhar Station. Oh no! 16's on the tracks. Oh no! Oh! A train crash. Is everybody okay? Yes, I think we're okay. Okay, guys, off to the next game we go. So the next game is called, I think, what's it called again? Just give me a second, everyone. So the name of this game is Wooden Railway Table. Look at that, it's a wooden Thomas. I want him. Give me the train. Oh, yes, I can have. Yes, I break out of the package. I can have him. No, I can't. Wait, warning. Oh, okay. Look at that. There's like some cars there. I think that's Henrietta. That orange. Wait, roof. Ooh, I wish I could go there. Oh, look at that. It's our favorite tank engine, Thomas. Or let's see, who should I go with this time? Let's go with James. All right, James, you ready? I'm ready. Okay. Oh. And just a bit. There you go. There you go. There you go. We made it. So we just gotta switch there. Whoa. Look at that. There's a breakdown train. And there's also a Brio train. What's a Brio train doing in this game? Let's see. Let's try to go this way and get the breakdown train. Or let's see. What else can I get instead of the breakdown train? Let's see. What else do we have here? So, I know we have the Brio train. Whoa, Sodor mail cars. And incredible. These coaches, and let's go with these coaches here. Okay. Oh, no. Oh, I thought I was going to derail. These coaches, you know what they remind me? The coaches that I'm going to pull? The coaches remind me of the olden days coaches. Whatever, let's go. Okay. Boop, boop. Oh no. No, switch. There. Alright, guys. So then it happened. As they were trying to stop, instead of that, James just went rolling down the tracks. Oh no, guys. I can't stop the train. It's just gonna keep going. What can we do? Someone help me. Oh no. This is unstoppable. An unstoppable train. Oh no. We can't stop. No. I can't stop. Whoa! Look out, everybody! Runaway train! I'm an unstoppable! What the heck? Whoa! Help me! I can't stop. I'm an unstoppable! I'm an unstoppable! Oh no, everyone! We're going to go down! Oh no! Oh no! Help me! I can't stop! Oh no! Ah! Oh my god. That wasn't so good. Oh my god. At least the train stopped. But what can we do now? What can we do? We can't do anything. We can't get up there. Wait, I know how to get up there. That was it. Yeah, that was actually it. Okay. Well, that was fun. And let's see. Let's go with Percy again. Wait, let's try Toby. Yeah, Toby. How do you even get this inside of the box part of Toby? I think he's undrivable. Do you guys saw that? I just entered him. There you go, guys. Now we're inside Toby. Let's go. So remember that Brio train? Well, and that part right there of the bridge. Well, first of all, we'll go to the bridge and then go and drive the Brio train. So I need to somehow get on that track. Hi, Brio train. Bye, Brio train. Wait, is it impossible to get on this track? Maybe. Let's just try to see how to get up here. Maybe I can get on that track somehow. I'm just gonna have this ready. So I'm just gonna switch the points up there. And now we're going to switch the track right here. And whoops! Silly me. Oh no, oh no, oh no. No, 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 no. Somehow in the track. In the track, Toby. Oh shoot. I'll be right back, guys. Alright guys. So I finally found the way how to get up here, and am I stuck? Oh come on. I know what Toby needs. Speed of light. Oh, need to somehow get on that track. We need to get on that track somehow. And oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Does that mean? Oh, Rio train. Yeah, I have no idea what's going on. What's going on? This. Wait, what? This is not the speed I was supposed to go on. Oh no. Oh no. Wow, that was awesome. The train is okay. Let's go. Choo choo. Choo 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 choo. This is probably one of the Brio trains. Brio. Oh, come on. I need to get on the tracks. Let's see. This is such a small vehicle. Oh my god. Oh my. Oh my god. Imagining playing it with your wooden trains, and then out of nowhere this Brio train shows up. Come on, I need to get on the track. Hooray! Now I know what this train needs. Speed of the light. Alright, Reboot Thomas. Give him it. Push! Push! See ya, Tabby. Ready, go! Whoa! Whoa! Super fast train coming through! Whoa! Oh my god! That's slowing him down. Okay. I need to somehow delete him. Come on, just delete him. Just delete it. Delete it. There you go. We're already at 14 minutes. Well, that's all gonna be for this video now, guys. So if you like it, subscribe for more videos like this one. Click the bell notifications. Select all. I'll see you all next time for another brand new video. Goodbye, everyone. Well, that's all. That's all. Oh, I don't have emotes. Oh well. Bye bye.